गुड मर्निङ नानी हो। आज हामी सेटलमेन्ट जियोग्राफी बारे पढ्छौँ। क्लस्टर, लिनियर इत्यादि सेटलमेन्टहरूको बारेमा। द टर्म सेटलमेन्ट इज युज टु डिनोट a group of houses or huts with a certain layout plan that includes building means for residence or other purpose, connected by road, streets and pathways. Settlements may be rural settlement or urban settlement. Urban settlement भनेको सहर, rural settlement भनेको बस्ती. According to the Census of India, a rural settlement is defined as a settlement that consists of huts, mud-built houses with pathway or roadways or railways, surrounded by farmlands or agricultural plots in all directions. People living in rural settlements are usually engaged in primary activities अथवा agriculture में, such as agriculture, forest, fishing and compact or cluster or the nucleated, dispersed or scattered or isolated and the linear. While in clustered settlement, the huts or the houses are grouped together in a compact form. And dispersed settlement, the houses or the huts are found in scattered form, away from each other in a linear settlement. Okay, so according to the Census of India, an urban settlement may be a statutory town or a census town. A statutory town is a place with a multiple city, cantonment, border, corporation or notified town area committee. The census town includes all places having a minimum total population of 5,000, a population density of at least 400% per square kilometer, and at least 75% of the main workers engaged in non-agricultural pursuit. Okay, so and urban agglomerated is a constituted urban spread constituting a town and its adjacent outgrowth, or the two or more physically contiguous towns together with or without outgrowths of such towns. The most common classification of urban settlements is the functional classification of town. Okay, so there are categories of town. Class 1 town with population of 1 lakh and above. Class 2 towns with population between 50,000 to 99,999. Class 3 town with population of 20,000,049 or 20,000 to 49,999. Okay, class 4 town is with population with between 10,000 to 19,999. Class 5th town with the population between 5,000 and 9,999, and class 6 town with population town 5,000. According to the census 2011, there are 497 class 1 town in India. A town having a population of more than 10 lakhs or 1 million is known as the metropolis. Okay, increasing concentration of the population in a city leading to its transformation into metropolis is known as metropolitization in India. The metropolitization has been very rapid. This is mainly due to the migration of people to the largest city in search of job. According to the 2011 census, India has 53 metropolitan cities.